This 2007 Lance 1131 is a truck camper RV. It is located in Prescott, Arizona, 86301 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV Prescott. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Lance is 20 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 7, slide-out, and 35 gallons freshwater capacity. The floor plan layout of this truck camper features bunk over cab, rear bath. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.